Hey folks, Cody here. If you want to get going on those 15 licks and exercises with the tab, just go to the timestamp right here. Otherwise, I have a couple quick pointers that should help you out in playing these. So tip number one is I've got those pick direction patterns on your tab there, all right? In bluegrass music, we can think of our picking hand as like a sideways metronome, all right? And we need to go down, up to the best of our abilities because this is going to help us play accurately, play in time, and also be able to play quickly when that time comes. But I tell new students to not really worry if you can't get this right away. This technique will come over time. It takes a lot of practice. And so just as important as playing it is just understanding that you got to build up to it. Otherwise, what I tell them is to play the licks however you can initially, then you can start working on this hand. But to get it all initially, it frustrates a lot of students. I hate seeing people get overwhelmed. And so just sound it out. Everything's gonna come with practice. Number two, and the cool thing about having the tabs on screen, in my opinion, is that we can see patterns, and music is all about patterns, okay? So when you see that chord above the notes, try your best to make mental notes as you learn and as you play more licks about what frets are appearing underneath that chord, okay? I hear a lot of folks say, they're like, oh, bluegrass music all sounds the same. They're not exactly wrong, and the connection we can make in playing that is that we're gonna use a lot of the same notes and intervals, which means like distance between notes. We're gonna use a lot of the same ones. And so when you can memorize and start seeing these patterns, that's when a lot of this is gonna make sense, because I've been there before where you grab the huge tab and it just looks crazy and you're like, there's no way I can do it. Once you sort of see these patterns that appear, it makes it a whole lot easier. And lastly, if you want to go deeper and set a sturdy foundation for learning bluegrass guitar, especially if you're the type of person that learns better with a structured roadmap, with a real curriculum that keeps you motivated, that keeps you dedicated to the journey, check out my beginner-friendly bluegrass guitar course, Flat Pick Foundations. The licks you see in this exercises are just licks on the screen. I go into much more detail. It's an ever-growing library of bluegrass lessons. And the best part about it is I've priced it in a way that's not going to break the bank. The average price of an online Zoom lesson from a bluegrass guitarist is between $70 and $150 for a 45-minute lesson. This entire course, which you can buy one time and never have to worry about a subscription again, is a fraction, a literal fraction of that. Check out all the details down below. Hundreds of students finally learning, getting real value, and hearing their progress with every lesson. Folks, enjoy these licks and exercises. We'll see ya.